What is going on, everyone? Will Mitchell here. Today we have a great video coming your way. If you haven't, as always, don't forget, subscribe, like the videos, comment, guys. We appreciate all the help getting everything going on YouTube. But today we're gonna do something pretty cool. So behind me you can see what looks like a junkyard. What I want you guys to focus in on is this boat, if you can even tell it's a boat, because right now we're gonna do something pretty cool.
Wow, Sinatra.
People coming down, eating boat tours. Sugar Baby has been running like crazy. So I got together with the Remax team and we decided we need a second boat. And then we paired it with the fact that everyone's asking us, where do I get a boat? How do I get a boat? Can you fix an old boat up? And that's how we got Sugar Baby ready. So we're gonna take this boat in to one of the local boat yards here, and we're gonna tell you more about their company, what they do, and we're gonna fix this boat up from the boat, I guess, the graveyard here to something beautiful. Okay, Mitchell, what do you think? It's pretty bad shape, no?
I mean, shoot, if you thought the Titanic was bad, look at this.
We got some severe fiberglass damage back here.
A little bit of duct tape, that'll be it.
Yeah, should we just duct tape that?
Yeah, duct tape that, some chewing gum here.
The hole in the bow, is that a concern when you're moving it, or?
That'll be, it's gonna be an interesting move, right? I mean, look, we got windows, we got a dishwasher.
Should we use the windows, you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think that'd be a nice touch to the boat itself, right? Put that on top of the T-top. Save some money there on canopy. No.
Same as Sugar Baby, Mitchell. I think once you get it over, let's put some seats, enclose the bow for storage, center console, nice black T-top. Obviously, we got to get the letters pink. Keep it on brand.
All right, there you go. Not an issue. I mean, matter of fact, you could actually see the sticker from when this was the last insured. Let's see when was its last journey. 2009. 2009 was the last time this was seaworthy. We're at 2021.
Should we keep the tires, you think, or?
I think, you know what? I mean, if we got Dustin or Chris driving, maybe, but I think we're good amongst ourselves.
So tomorrow we move it?
Tomorrow we take it to the boat yard.
Mitchell's got this whole plan. He's gonna relocate this boat, even with the holes in the bow, all the damage to it, and bring it over. So it's gonna be an awesome little series for you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We don't know what we're gonna name it yet. If you have names, ideas, throw them in the comment section. Who knows, maybe we'll throw the name you guys suggest on the boat. But it's gonna be a great little series. And as always, guys, we can't wait to see you down here, but follow along for this and more great content. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of amazing content coming. And also check out our book on Amazon, The Investor's Guide to Belize Real Estate. In it, we detail all the things you want to know if you're looking to make an investment in the Belize market. We had experts such as lawyers, bankers, architects, builders, all get involved in the making of this book. It's available on Amazon and Kindle. Aside from that, can't wait to see you guys down here. And don't forget to say hi to Chewy.